Ready to rank #1 on Google fast? Let's dive into some SEO hacks. First secret: user intent is king. Google isn't just about keywords anymore, it's about what users really want. Your content must directly answer their questions. For example, if someone asks, "What is SEO?" and you bombard them with advanced details, they'll bail. And that tanks your rankings. Second secret: topical authority. Google loves expert content. So churn out consistent content on specific topics. Create an SEO 101 series covering everything from keyword research to backlinks. Finally, AI and EE8 optimization. Google prioritizes AI-boosted content and EE8 expertise, experience, authority, trustworthiness. Keep your content professional, establish authority, cite sources, and use AI tools for keyword optimization. If you nail these, ranking on Google will be a breeze. Found this helpful? Like, comment on your favorite tip, and subscribe for more SEO secrets.